Hello and welcome to another free e-learning tutorial from dakinane.com. Today we're looking at MergeCube. I have the Pro Cospaces account with 30 seats and I've paid for the MergeCube add-on. So let's spend this tutorial looking around the interface. Default view is my classes. We click on Create a Class, give our class a name and then click Create. Up pops this code here which you give to your students, and that's how they access your classroom. Okay, My Spaces. In this space here we can see the spaces that I've created using my Cospaces account and also using the MergeCube. Click on Create a Space and look at the MergeCube option here. This is the MergeCube environment, so let's have a look around and see what tools we've got available. Bottom left here is the library. If we click on that, and up pops all these options here. These are the basic characters and we can add those to our scene. That each character has different attributes and things that we can do with them, including the animals and objects we can use to create our environment or enhance our environment. The same with these natural objects and transport. You just need to scroll through and see what's there for you. Then you can add these other props, and then you can even start building your own content from scratch if you wish to really build a rich environment. We can make things travel on paths, and we'll look at those a bit later. We can use the camera to move around a set path or the objects around a set path, etc. We can even upload our own content. For example, we can upload videos, and these videos will play inside the MergeCube, but take note, it only uploads MP4s. We can upload images direct from the computer or via a web search and pull those in, and we'll show you how to do that in a later video. Up here in the top right hand corner we can actually add some coding blocks. If we click on Code Blocks, and you'll recognize these kind of blocks from a Scratch or Tinker interface, and a later tutorial will show you how to use those. Over here, last of all, is the Snap to Grid option, and that will help us place objects accurately inside MergeCube. So that's it, a quick overview of the interface. Thanks for watching. There are more MergeCube tutorials coming, and there are plenty more tutorials on my channel. So if you like what you see, please subscribe, and if you do, thanks very much, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.